I have an unscripted challenge for you guys. You've got 2 hours.
Oh, there's a set here.
An hour and a half. Oh my goodness. That's really nice.
Okay, we can total it up at the end.
Oh.
Maybe we can try somewhere else.
Wait, you don't have the money?
No, Samuel didn't give us the card.
3 hours.
This is not going
A
well.
maximum of £300.
Okay, let's go.
Make this place look amazing.
Run fast and don't stop at the edge. You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose. Do not let it slip away. 'Cause if you never try it, you never know.
7% of properties in central London are listed on Airbnb and Booking.com, but most of them look kind of terrible. Most of them look like this. Like this! I mean, honestly, how would you feel if you paid £80, £90 for a night in central London and you came into a room that was so bland? I mean, it feels like I'm in a doctor's waiting room and this bed is just bare. I mean, it doesn't cost that much money to get photos, to get some nice bedding. The crazy thing is this is the competition. So what I'm thinking is, and this is one of the properties that my company has, I'm thinking we're in central London. There are some issues around 90-day rule and things like that. I've done a whole nother video about that. You can see that in the description. But for this room, if we just spent a few £100s, we could literally make the room so much better. And then the rents, rather than renting this for like £80 a night, you'd get £120 a night. £40 different, the return on investment on just doing a few things in this room, like bed sheets, like some pictures, like a mirror. The return on investment will be sky high. So I have none better than the intelligent, speedy, incredible interior design team, Amanda, my wife, and Amelia. What do you guys think of this room though, like this? Like, would this actually rent? I mean,
You just keep scrolling, wouldn't you?
Yeah, you wouldn't even notice it. No.
but,
It's not.
but most rooms, even on spare room, most rooms are like this.
Yeah. So bland and
So
bare.
the competition sucks.
Yeah.
What do you think we should do with this room?
Oh, this could be made over, like just to spruce it
Yeah,
up, make it stand out.
It shouldn't take long, like a day.
Not even a day.
Yeah, to be fair.
We could do it in a few hours.
Yeah, we could do it in a few hours.
Of course. But
Yeah.
your background is interior design and you're just a creative genius. So I have an unscripted challenge for you guys. Okay, but no, in all seriousness, like I want you to make this room over and I want you to do it fast. How many hours would it take to do this?
Like 3 hours?
3 hours.
3 hours?
Yeah.
Are you kidding?
No, I think
3 hours?
We could do it.
Yeah, we can do it.
3 hours including, like you need a little cute laundry basket.
Okay.
Would you need? No, yeah, you would, because sometimes guests stay for a long time. Listen, I don't even know. This is not my bag.
Yeah.
But here's,
Just leave it with us.
how much are you talking to get it really spiced up and to look incredible?
I don't know, a few £100.
Yeah, a few hundred.
Okay, here's my challenge. My challenge to you ladies is 3 hours, a maximum of £300, and I want you to literally make this place look amazing. I want you to push the rent up on it and I want it to be booked all year round. So, 3 hours, £300, time starts. We've got a meeting at 2.
Yes.
So, you've not got 3 hours?
We've got about 2 hours.
Okay. You've got 2 hours? Okay, good luck.
We can do it.
Good luck.
Bedding set. We want pillows, cushions, like the decorative cushions.
And with like a nice throw.
I think we should go to Primark. Okay. And then we've got
Wait, you don't
pennies
have the money?
No, Samuel didn't give us the card. Oh my goodness. Not too cheap, because when you're sleeping in it, you don't want it to feel like really crap.
That's true.
You want it to feel like soft. We'll grab the bath mat and stuff whilst we're closer here. No one would use the hand towels, really.
No.
Get a bath towel and a hand towel.
I kind of like this one, to be fair.
Yeah, that's quite nice.
That's quite nice. Drinks trolley.
Yeah.
Guest room. This is going to make a difference though, isn't it?
Yeah, that's gonna look really nice. It'd be nice if there was like also, you know, the rectangle ones. So if we had 2 of these and then like if there was like a black rectangle one or something.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Okay.
We need to.
Gold is the accent colour.
Yes.
We want a plant. Maybe we could have a floor plant. This is nice, but I think a floor plant would be good in like the corner. An hour and 8 minutes left.
Okay, we've got 2 potentials. Primark was our best bet, and it let us down a little bit. So we're gonna try another shop. But we haven't really. This is not going well.
I think those right.
Maybe we can try somewhere else.
I'm surprised you're even back.
Oh.
But it's not finished. So
no. We've got everything that. Wow.
I am so sorry. I am going to have to stop because we've got a really important meeting. So, how long have you been going? An hour and 45 minutes?
Yeah, it's not been long. We've not had the full 3 hours.
No, we definitely haven't.
Have I short strawed you?
Yes, you have.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to. Literally, we have to go. So we're gonna have to. Pav, we're gonna have to pause the camera. You have an hour and 50 minutes to finish later, or it's gonna be dark later. Are you free to come back tomorrow morning?
Yeah, I can come back tomorrow.
Okay, so tomorrow morning they're gonna come back. They're gonna finish off. I'm not gonna even look. I want it to be a surprise. And we're gonna see if they can do it for 3 hours. I can't wait to find out how much to spend. We'll find out what happens tomorrow morning.
Took like 30 years, but I found myself ironic with these issues.
Okay, so we are back today and we're finishing the room. Samuel's given us half an hour to finish everything because we had like no time the other day. Timer, so half an hour, let's go.
Awake with some cold singers, these some cold winners, Tell me where your people finding their identity. Kid, I'm telling you, it's not who they pretend to be. Future said he ain't sipping lean, but the industry won't let him intervene. With them songs about him getting clean. You ain't a person, you a brand. Your persona's whatever, put money in their hands, they won't let it go. Feed them poison with no antidote, avoiding antidotes is telling kids without no hand, no hold.
That's touches.
Is there anything else we need to do?
I think this is everything now.
Have we got the tags off?
Yeah, all tags are off everything.
I don't think the time's actually gone yet. Let's see how long we've got. A few seconds.
You go over 1 minute, you failed.
I think we're done.
Yeah.
Okay, let him in. Let the beast in.
Open up.
Okay.
Oh,
there it goes.
Okay.
I like it. I don't know why I'm holding a hammer. I think it was just in case you hadn't done a good job.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. So, it would be nice to have a picture on the wall.
Yes.
That was we were quite restricted because of the times and stuff. If we had like a week or whatever, we'd just order some stuff in.
Yeah.
But
That's the only thing we felt like we were missing was like pictures and
To be honest though, I mean, how much have you spent? You had 300 budget.
So,
drum roll.
We spent
£204 and
£50.
Okay.
So we're under budget, so if we had that extra.
And it literally took you 3. I think the thing is, the reason I wanted to do this and the reason for the video is to show within just a few hours, and what, £204, that's not bad.
Yeah.
How much was this?
That was £40, yeah.
Yeah.
£40.
Because you don't need like a wardrobe or something.
No.
And it's nice.
No, when
it's
you're
minimal and not in your face.
When you're staying here for one night.
Oh my.
You don't want like a big wardrobe and chest of drawers. This is really ideal for staying over for a night. So you've got your stuff, you can whack it on if you want, put it down somewhere, but then it's not like a full-on wardrobe. It looks really, really good. And also, I mean, the bed before everything was just so bland.
Yeah, there's a
like
bit of
now, if I let me see what it looks like if I was to take a picture for the advertisement. It just looks nice. It looks nice. No, I really like it. I like the colour, pops, and also the plants. It just brings life to the room.
Yeah.
So, I'm impressed. The only thing that I'm a bit like, about is I just think if there was a nice picture.
Yeah.
Which you can get them for so cheap, can't you?
Yeah.
Was that just a time thing?
Yeah, that was just time, because we have like the budget, we have £100, or just under £100.
We've got £96 left.
£96.
Yeah.
Yeah, we probably would have got like a lamp as well, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, there's definitely more things that we could add, but
So here's the thing, and here's the moral for the viewers watching this. The thing is, for just a couple of £100, you can transform a room. Because honestly, this room, as it was, wouldn't have got many bookings. And then people would say, I tried it and it didn't work. Yeah, it didn't work because your room looked terrible. For the sake of £204 in a few hours, this would be now fully booked. The amount you'd get would be more. And it's just that extra. Because I wouldn't want to come and stay in a room overnight that didn't look nice. Awesome. Outro time. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Drop a comment below if you want to see Amelia and Amanda back on the YouTube channel. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
bye.
So I'm stuck in the moment, I'm sitting back and I'm still hoping. Lord, got my eyes really open where I'm still getting to the bad with chit chat. Got my hat back and I backtrack. My wilderness taught me great things. You gotta be original. Drunk night, subliminal movements, be pivotal. Never really cry for pain, man. So I start like baby and I work like Wayne. Now let's pursue the children of the game. Yep.